morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, fifth AB.
I'm a 5 present, ma'am.
Write your name in the chat box. Write your name in the chat box for attendance. Five.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
I'm a 5
morning.
present.
Write your name in the chat box.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am.
Mute your
Ma'am.
mic and open your cameras.
Good morning,
50
ma'am.
and B, open your cameras and mute your.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Nobody will leave the class. You can only leave on time. If you come on time, then you will leave on time. Okay?
Ma'am, Mudashir present.
Sorry?
Ma'am, I come in time
Good
only,
morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Good
My
morning.
time is.
Ma'am, even I
10:53.
came on time.
Yes, Tejas. Okay, so first of
Good
all,
morning,
mute
ma'am. I
yourself.
also came on time.
Mute
मैम
yourself.
आपकी राखी सेलिब्रेशन कैसी हुई है?
Sorry? Who is asking?
मैम कीर्तना is present.
Kirtana, yes, marked. Please write your name in
मैम
the chat
Rishi
box.
present.
Write your name in the chat box and mute
Present.
yourself. On my 3 count, mute yourself. I will tell you the name of present and absent. Okay?
मैम 133.
I will tell you the
Ma'am,
name.
Grinesh 50.
मैम
Ananya
Hanusha
present.
present.
Write your name in the chat box. I'll read your name. I'll mark attendance. Okay? So mute yourself and open your camera. Rest are shant. After 7 minutes, we will be starting our class. Okay? At 11. Let the students join. Till then, those who are having textbooks, English textbooks, they can open the chapter Robinson Crusoe. Next chapter. Okay?
Ma'am, what is Robinson
Good morning,
the
ma'am.
new chapter?
1, 2.
Ma'am I'm Ishan.
Who has joined with this ID 1, 2?
मैम Robinson Cluster.
1, 2.
मैम DP Charan.
ID 1, 2.
DP Charan.
How do you know it's DP Charan? Dinesh?
मैम I seen him in last class.
So in last class he was DP Charan. 1, 2.
Ma'am.
ID
Yes,
1,
ma'am.
2. DP Charan.
Ma'am.
DP,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
open your camera. DP Charan, open your camera. All of you open your camera and mute yourself. Just mute yourself and open your camera.
Present.
Manu, you can close your camera and then eat and then come back. Okay?
Ma'am, footprints wala.
मैम DP Charan.
Ma'am, page number क्या है ma'am?
I'll tell you the page number. First, just read the heading. Robin, after My Shadow. You have done the chapter My Shadow, right? My Shadow we have completed. Now we will take up the next chapter. DP Charan, mute yourself. Open the textbook. Those who are having the textbooks, they can open the next chapter. Sorry?
My shadow ka.
Ishant, I have marked. You need to say again and again. Ishant, I have marked your attendance. Okay, so I am saying after My Shadow. Jaisal, yes, marked. Arushi, mute yourself. Arushi, mute yourself. Ishant, mute yourself. Trinesh, mute yourself. Until and unless I say you to unmute, you will not unmute. Arushi, mute yourself.
Ma'am, this is present.
Yes, Jaisal, I have marked.
Ma'am, Akshara is present, ma'am.
I will tell you the names in
Ma'am, Akshara is
Yes,
present.
Akshara, I will tell you the names in 1 minute. You can listen and then tell me if anyone is left. Okay? Now mute yourself. Sai Sampath, yes. Akshara, fifth day. Jaisal, yes. Don't open your speaker. Don't open your mic. Manu, mute yourself. Ishant, mute yourself now. No need to say. Ishant, I have marked your attendance. Mute yourself. Nobody will open your mic.
Okay, ma'am.
Mute yourself, Manu. I will not say a particular name now. Mute yourself. As you join, you have to mute yourself. Only 27. Those are having the textbooks, they can open the chapter Robinson Crusoe after My Shadow. My Shadow, the next chapter of My Shadow, okay? Open that chapter. We will be starting in 3 to 4 minutes. Sorry?
मैम मैं एक पैरा पढ़ ली है मैंने.
Very good. If you have read before, very good. We will take up this chapter in today's class, okay? So open the chapter. If you have textbooks, those who don't have, you can either buy it from the market or you can download it from the net. You will get the NCERT book app is also there in the Google Play Store. You have an app that is NCERT books. You can download the NCERT books from there. Arushi, have you got the books? Arushi.
Ma'am, I downloaded.
You have downloaded? Arushi.
Yes,
Okay, very good, very good.
Ma'am, I had.
Those who have, they can open. Others, please download it as soon as possible. Okay, download or you can buy. If it's not possible to buy, it's better to download in your phone or laptop in some device. Okay. Very less.
Ma'am,
Yes.
page number. Ma'am, I have all in one.
Okay. Please, first of all, mute yourself. Mute yourself. I will tell you everything when the class will start. Okay. Mute yourself. After 2-3 minutes, we will start the class. Arushi, mute yourself. If you want to read the chapter, if you want to read the chapter, then mute yourself. Don't say I will read first. Just mute yourself. Okay. Those who will not mute themselves, they will not get the chance to read.
Ma'am, today birthday, ma'am.
Sorry, किसका बर्थडे है?
Today birthday, ma'am.
Udeshri birthday. Okay, Udeshri, happy birthday. Are you listening? Udeshri, can you listen?
Yes, ma'am.
Udeshri, happy birthday to you. God bless you.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone can 5th AM please wish her.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Okay. Happy birthday now. Okay, stop. Okay, done. Mute yourself now. No birthday messages in the chat box. No birthday messages in the chat box. Nobody will write
Ma'am,
any
which
message.
lesson, ma'am?
I will tell you now.
I have a doubt, ma'am.
Nobody
Yes,
will
sir,
write
ask.
any birthday message
Ma'am,
in
I
the
have a
chat
doubt.
box. No birthday message in the chat box. Nobody will write happy
Yes, we
birthday
have
and all in the
Ma'am,
chat
I
box,
have a
okay?
doubt, ma'am.
Yes, who is having
Have
doubt?
it.
Yes.
Which one lesson, ma'am?
Arushi?
अगस्त 15 को हमको स्कूल रहेगा मैम.
Sorry?
अगस्त 15 को हमको स्कूल रहेगा.
कब स्कूल रहेगा? स्कूल नहीं खुलेगा अभी. School will not be open. Please don't think school will reopen. Class will be taken like this only, okay?
Ma'am,
Don't ask this question due to the present situation. Schools will remain closed. Don't ask this question. Whenever we will have instructions, we will give to you, okay?
ma'am, which ma'am अगस्त 15 को.
Okay, so let's take up with the chapter. I am presenting the lesson. Nobody will present in between and mute yourself first of all. Mute yourself first of all.
Ma'am, lesson name, ma'am.
Robinson Cruise. Lesson name is Robinson Cruise. Open the lesson if you have textbooks.
Ma'am, tell attendance, no ma'am.
Attendance I am telling in 1 minute. Okay, wait. First of all, mute yourself on my 3 count. Kirtana, you will not get chance to read. Mute yourself. No birthday messages in chat box. Please. 5th A and B. No birthday messages. You have already wished her in the class. So no birthday messages. Okay, listen your names. Those who are present for the. Sorry? Ishant, you can wish after the class. No need to wish right now. After the class, now you can wish. Now we will take up our class and listen. Today you have a new student in your class, that is Ananya. Her name is Ananya. She has come in 5th A. Ananya, can you hear me? Ananya?
Ma'am.
Ishant, mute yourself. Ananya, can you hear me? Just say yes or no.
Ma'am,
I can hear you.
Yes, so everyone, 5th A and 5th B, you can see her on your screens, Ananya. She has joined from today. Okay, she is the new admission in our school, 5th A. If my voice is breaking, leave the class and join again. Join again.
Ma'am,
Ishant, join again. Join again.
मैम आपके
Okay.
पास नेट प्रॉब्लम है शायद.
5th A and B, you will help her and you will help and provide her the previous work of English, EVS and every subject. Okay? Am I clear? 5th A and B.
मैम मैं इतना नहीं. Okay, ma'am.
Okay? So she is the new student of 5th A. She has come in 5th A. If she will ask for any work,
नेट का नाम करो.
if she will ask for any work, you will help her. Okay? Everyone will help her in providing the previous work. Okay? 5th A and B. Okay. So now I am presenting the lesson. Ishant, mute yourself. Ishant, I will remove you from the class. Mute yourself.
Which class?
She is in 5th A. I have told you so many times. Don't ask again now. Okay, so let's start with the class. I am presenting the lesson. Nobody will present anything in between. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Nobody will present. Open your textbooks if you have. If you don't have, I am presenting the lesson to you. Okay?
Ma'am.
Is my screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so my screen is visible now?
Ma'am.
Okay, now mute yourself. Don't say okay again and again. Don't say okay again and again. Mute yourself and open your camera. My screen is visible now, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So this is our next chapter, Robinson Crusoe. Okay, we will be reading this chapter.
आपको स्क्रीन स्टक हुआ है.
Your voice is
Wait, it will be okay.
Stuck.
It will be okay in 1 minute. Please don't say again and again. Sanjay Nanda.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please mute yourself. Mute yourself. Mute yourself first. Okay, this is our next chapter, Robinson Crusoe. We will reading it. We will be taking up it from the starting.
Your voice is breaking.
Okay, wait. I'll join again. Wait. If my voice is breaking, wait a minute. Wait.
Oh,
15B, now is it clear? Dinesh, stop presenting. Dinesh, stop presenting. Okay, now I am presenting the chapter to you. Mute yourself, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Mute yourself. Is my screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now this is the chapter.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, don't say yes again and again. So we will be reading this chapter and we will finish it fast today. Okay. So from first of all,
want to read, ma'am.
don't say I want to read. I will take the name fifth A and B. Listen very carefully. You will not say that you will read. I'll take up the names. Mute yourself. If you will unmute, I will not take your name. Let's start from fifth B. Okay. Fifth B. Let's start with fifth B.
रीड करना.
म्यूट करो प्लीज अपने आप को म्यूट करो फिफ्थ ए एंड बी म्यूट योरसेल्फ
आपका वॉइस ब्रेक हो रहा है मैम.
वॉइस ब्रेक हो रहा है ज्वाइन करो फिर आओ ओके फ्रॉम फिफ्थ बी फर्स्ट इज जेजिल ईशांत डाउट्स विल बी टेकन इन द लास्ट प्लीज नो डाउट्स नाउ आई हैव टू कंप्लीट माय सिलेबस in every session there is a problem with you no doubts afterwards after the class you can ask the doubt okay बोलो ईशांत बोलो क्या डाउट है मुझे मेरी क्लास शुरू करनी है बोलो ईशांत
हम लोग रीड करना है.
क्या
हाँ मैम.
क्या बोल रहे हो ये आपको ये रीड करना है चैप्टर प्लीज अब ईशांत वी हैव टू रीड दिस चैप्टर नाउ प्लीज डोंट डिस्टर्ब इन बिटवीन ओके सो जेजिल कैन यू हियर मी फिफ्थ बी जेजिल
Ma'am, my web camera
Yes, ma'am.
is not clear.
जेजिल कैन यू हियर मी Jazel, read the chapter. Start reading the chapter. Jazel, from here.
मैम मेरी कॉल कोई कट कर रहा
Jazel, can you hear me? Jazel, fifth B. Jazel, can you hear me?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Start reading the chapter from
Yes,
here.
ma'am.
Start reading the chapter from here.
Ma'am, your screen is not visible.
Ma'am, my
Is there any network issue?
Robinson
Okay, read the lesson.
ship had been destroyed by the sea. He had been alone for many years.
Wait, Jazel, wait. Let me remove the students from the class. Those who are opening the mic. Ishant, I am removing you. Ishant, I am removing you because you are not muting yourself. Arushi, mute yourself. This is last and full and final warning. Otherwise, remove from the class. In every class, I have to give you same instruction for the whole class. Mute yourself. Only Jazel will unmute. Rest will mute. Arushi, mute.
Yes, ma'am.
Mute yourself. Only Jazel's will unmute. Others will mute. Arushi, now also it's not muted. Mute yourself first.
Ma'am, my phone is stuck in, ma'am.
Kindly leave the class and come back again if there is any problem in the net. Come back again. Join again. Okay? Okay, Jazel, continue. Jazel, can you hear me?
Robinson's ship had been destroyed by the sea. He had been along for many years and
Longed
for company. One day
he discovers
a footprint on the sand. Let's find out what he did then.
Okay, good. So now this chapter is about a person that is Robinson Crusoe. He went on a ship. Okay, he was a voyage. He used to travel by sea and by ship. He used to travel by ship from places to places, and once his ship was destroyed by the sea. From the first line you can see his ship has been destroyed by the sea. So for many years he was alone. Okay, now what did he discover? He discovered a footprint when he was alone. Now we will find out how this happened. Okay. Next from fifth A, Ananya. Ananya, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, read from here.
One day, when I was going towards my boat, I was surprised to see the footprints of a man on the sand. I stood amazed. I listened. I looked around me. I could neither hear nor see anything. I went up higher to look down. I went up the shore and down the shore, but it was no good. I could find no other footprints but that one.
Okay, very good.
I went
Okay,
to
stop. Very good. Now mute yourself. Okay. So now Robinson Crusoe, as she read, one day when I was going towards my boat, this is said by Robinson Crusoe. He was going towards his boat. What? I was surprised to see the footprint of a man on the sand. So what did he saw? A footprint of a man on a sand. He was amazed. He was amazed to see that footprint. He looked around here and there, but there was no one. He could not hear or see anything. I went up higher to look down. I went up the shore. Now he went higher and went to the shore. He looked here and there, but there was no one. Okay. I could find no other footprint but that one. Okay. Next from fifth B. Fifth B. DP Charan. DP is here. DP Charan. DP, can you hear me? Fifth B. DP. I think he's not there. Okay. Siddharth.
Ma'am, I want to.
Siddharth, I I'll take your name. There is lot of chapters. Everyone will get the chance. Okay, fifth B. Siddharth is here. Siddharth. He joined the class. Where is he? Brunda. Brunda is here. Who is this Sunita?
Yes, ma'am.
Brunda, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, read from here. Where Ananya left, continue from there. Here. I went to it. Start from here. Brunda, read.
Ma'am, presenting is not there.
It is already there. Check.
No, ma'am.
Wait.
I'm not seeing the spelling, ma'am.
Ma'am, we can't see the chapter, ma'am.
Wait, I am presenting again. I think there is net problem today, so that's why no presenting. It has stopped, I guess. Please don't present in between. And Jason, mute yourself. Dinesh, mute yourself. Dinesh, mute yourself. And don't write your name. Brunda will read, okay? Okay, now I think it is visible.
Ma'am, screen is not visible, ma'am.
Okay, now Brunda, read now. I think it's visible now.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. It's not. No, ma'am.
Ma'am, it is not visible, ma'am.
It is not visible. How
Ma'am,
is
we can read in our textbook.
Sorry?
Ma'am.
You can read from
श्वेता ने बोल रही है कि
Brunda, do you have your textbook? Brunda, Brunda,
no presentation.
Brunda, do you have your textbook? Brunda.
Ma'am, we can read in our textbook.
Yes, you can read from the textbook. Brunda, do you have textbook?
Yes, ma'am.
Brunda, read from the textbook. Read from the textbook. I went it to again. Read from here. Read from your textbook.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, read.
Now it is visible.
Ma'am, now it is visible, ma'am.
Okay, if it is visible now, you can read from here. I went it to again. Please mute yourself now. Yes.
Shweta is not unable to join.
Shweta joined the class.
And to
She will join. She joined the class.
yes, she is.
I went. Brunda, read. Brunda, continue.
I went to it again to see if there were any more footprints and to tell if it had been my imagination. But I was not
Mistaken.
but there was a print of a foot for heel.
Every part of a foot.
Of the foot.
I could not imagine.
How
Okay.
it can bear.
Okay, good. Brunda, okay, stop.
I said
Stop. Brunda, stop. Okay. I went it again to see. Now he discovered one footprint. He was surprised to see. So he went again to see if there were any more footprints and tell if it had my imagination. He thought it could be his imagination. Okay, but this was not true. He was not mistaken, for there was exactly the print of a foot. So he thought this is not my imagination. There is actually one footprint. He could see the footprint on the sand and it had toes, it had heels and every part of a foot. He could see the part of the foot in the sand. I could not imagine how it came there. So he was surprised to see how the footprint came there. Okay. Next, fifth A, Fiona. Fiona is here. Fiona.
Ma'am, Akshara, ma'am.
Fiona is present here. Okay, Akshara.
I'm here. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Fiona, are you here? Fiona.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, read from here. I stayed.
I stayed a long time thinking but became more and more confused.
Next. Now.
Ma'am, next Akshara.
Wait, I'll take that. Is it visible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Read from
At
here.
last, I returned home very frightened, looking behind me after every 2 or 3 steps, mistaking every bush and tree to
Every bush.
be a man.
Okay, good.
Bush
Stop.
to
Okay,
and
good.
tree to be a man.
Yes. Okay, so let me make it. So now what happened? He was frightened to see. He was frightened to see the footprints.
What is the meaning of frightened?
Afraid. I stayed for a long time thinking. He started thinking, but he was getting confused. Now, after this, he was frightened. Frightened means to get afraid. What do you mean by afraid? Afraid means डर जाना, किसी चीज से घबराना या scared. Yes, scared और afraid like किसी चीज से जब हम डर जाते हैं. डर जाना. Yes. So he was at last he returned home very frightened. When he was very confused, he could not find anyone there. So he was very much frightened, and he went back home, looking behind me after every 2 3 steps, mistaking every bush and tree to be a man. So he was frightened so much that he was thinking that bushes and trees were also they also look like the man. Okay. Next from 5th B, Dinesh. Dinesh, can you hear me? Dinesh, read from your textbook.
Ma'am, after Dinesh, I will.
Okay.
Akshara.
Dinesh, read from the textbook from when I came.
When I came to my cave, which I called my castle, I ran inside it as if I was being chased.
I was being chased.
I do not remember whether I used the ladder or went in by the hole in the rock, which I called the door. I ran for cover faster than any animal could run. I did not sleep that night. The more I thought about what I had seen, the more afraid I became.
Okay, stop. Okay. I don't have the full PDF. Okay, so it's not coming in my. So as he came back to his cave, I do not remember whether I used the ladder or went in by hole. So as he came back, he was very frightened. He was very much afraid. Okay. Next, from 5th A, Akshara. Akshara.
Ma'am.
Okay. Read where he left. I did not sleep. Read from here. I did not sleep that night.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I can't see the. Now I can see.
Yes.
I did not sleep that night. Then more I thought about that I had seen, the more afraid
I became.
I thought it could be
one of the savages.
One of the savages of the mainland.
Wandered out to the sea.
Who had wandered off the sea
in a small boat. Okay, good. Next, now he came back, and at night he was not able to sleep because he was very much afraid. Okay, he thought it could be a savage of a mainland. What is a savage? Who will tell me what do you mean by savage?
Ma'am, Adivasi.
Adivasi, yes. It could be a savage means in jungles you have seen Adivasis. Yes, you would have heard about Adivasi. So he thought it could be an savage.
मैं कंप्यूटर में ज्वाइन होता हूँ मैम
Sorry?
Wild people in jungle.
Sorry? Savage wild people in a primitive
फोन में
state.
चार्जिंग नहीं है
Okay, you can see the recorded class. Okay.
मैम
Okay, next from fifth.
ओके मैम
Next from fifth B. Fifth B. Next.
means
Wild people in the primitive state. Yes, you can call them Adivasi. You can say them. Okay, they live in the forest and. Okay, next is fifth B.
मैम स्क्रीन
Fifth B. Sanvi. Sanvi is here.
Yes, ma'am.
Sanvi, read where she left. Where Akshara left. Read after that. Luckily, I was not on the shore at that time.
Okay, ma'am. Luckily, I was not on shore at that time. But what if he had seen my boat? If he had seen the boat, he would have realized that someone lived on the island.
Island.
And would
It is
soon
not
return
island. This
to
is island.
kill and
Island.
eat me.
And would soon return.
And so I lay fearful for
Wait,
many
okay,
days
but okay,
and prayed
Sanvi, good, okay.
for
Wait, somebody is joining.
protection. Thank you.
Okay. So now, what happened? Luckily, I was not on the shore at that time. But what if he had seen my boat? So he thought there was some kind of savage, and he thought he would have come to its boat. Okay, if he had seen the boat, he would have realized that someone lived on the island and would soon return with others to kill and eat me. So what did Robinson thought? He thought that savage would come to them and he would kill and eat him. So he was thinking like this. Okay. Now next fifth A. Fifth A, Vishishta is here. Vishishta, read from here. And so.
And so I lay fearful for many days and prayed for protection. In doing so, I was much comforted and began going out to investigate.
But even
now, as I went forward, I looked behind me frequently because I was still very frightened.
So now he was afraid. Okay, good, Vishishta. He prayed for protection and I was much comforted and began going out to investigate. So he started going out to what is investigate? Fifth A and B. Who will
Searching.
Searching, yes, finding out answer. Very good. Finding out answers, searching for some facts and datas. Searching for some kind of facts and datas, that is investigate or investigation. You would have heard the word investigation. Investigation means to search out some kind of facts.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, police investigation you would have heard, right? Finding samples, facts, datas, or analysis. After investigating, analysis them. Okay. So he started investigation. Even now he went forward and looked behind me. So he was frightened till now. He started investigation and he used to look behind frequently. Okay. Next, fifth B. Sunishka. Sunishka is here. Sunishka, can you hear me?
Ma'am, my hands is not on.
Sunishka. Arushi. Arushi, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Read from here.
However, as I went about for 2 or 3 days and saw nothing, I became a little
bolder.
I decided to go down to the shore again and examine the footprint once more. I decided to measure it
once more. I decided to measure it with
My
my
own
foot mark,
foot mark. Okay, now what happened
and
next?
I came
Okay,
closer.
wait, Arushi, good. So now what happened next? However, as I went about 2 to 3 days and saw nothing, now nothing happened for 2 3 days. So he became little bolder. What do you mean by bolder?
Ma'am, more confident.
More confident. Yes, very good, Fiona. More confident and brave. Okay, very good. So he became little brave, little confident, and he decided. What do you mean by decided? To make a decision. Okay, I decided to go down to the shore again. So he went again to the shore and examine the footprint. What do you mean by examine? Examine means to test. Okay. Ishant, please don't speak in between. Let me complete. So he started examining the footprint. Okay, examine means to test and observe.
He started to search.
Observing and testing. Yes, okay, that is examining. Examine the footprint once more. I decided to measure it with my own footmark. So what did he decided next? To test whether the footmark was his or some other. Okay, so he decided to measure with his own footmark. Footmark means footprint. Okay. Next from fifth A. Fifth A, Tejas is here.
Ma'am, what
Tejas.
is meant by shore?
Shore, seashore.
Yes,
किनारा, सी समुद्र का किनारा. शोर मीन्स किनारा. समुद्र का किनारा होता है ना, दैट इज शोर. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So next is Tejas, read from here. As I came closer.
As I came closer to the footprint, I realized that it could not be my footprint because I had not come to this part of the beach since a long time. Secondly, as I placed my foot alongside that footprint, it seemed larger than my own. Fear returned. I went again, believing that there was someone there. The island
Was inhabited. Okay, so now what did he do? Good, Tejas.
Ma'am, what is inhabited?
That I'll tell you now. There are some words in this inhabited.
Non-inhabit means occupied.
Occupied.
Lured in.
Yes, very good, Fiona. As I came closer to, now he decided to listen, fifth A and B. Now he decided to examine his footprint, whether the footprint was his or some others. So he realized that the footprint was not, that was not his footprint. Okay. And he, what did he find out? He find out that he did not came to the beach for a long time. So he thought this was not the footprint. Secondly, as I placed my foot alongside the footprint, now when he placed the foot on that footprint, and alongside means side to that footprint. See, you can see a footprint. Yes.
Ma'am, Kirtana is chatting in the chat box.
Kirtana, wait, let me complete it and then I'll see your chats. Wait a minute. Secondly, I placed my foot alongside the footprint. It seemed larger than my own. So he realized that this was not his footprint. It was of some other else person. So my fear returned. I went home again, believing that there was someone there. The island was inhabited. Now, what do you mean by inhabited? Means occupied by people. Place which is occupied by people, that is called inhabited. Okay. So the island. So now he came to know that the island was not, he was not alone on the island. There were some other people also living with him. Okay. So what did he discover? The footprint was not his footprint, and the island on which he was living also had some other people. Okay. Now let me see the chat box. Wait, what? 72 messages in the chat box. Fifth A and B. I told you to not to write anything in the chat box. Please don't write anything in the chat box. Just if you want to say something, you can say. Only attendance will be given in the chat box and answers if I will ask. Okay? Fifth A and B, this is the last warning. No chatting. No chatting means no chatting. Chatting means you are not paying attention in the class.
What is homework, ma'am?
Homework
Ma'am,
will be
what is
given. Homework will be given to you. Don't worry about that. Okay. Kirtana, Dinesh, do you want to go out? Open your camera. Okay. So next, Ananya, please listen to ma'am. Okay, she's writing. Listen to ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for giving me a chance. Okay, don't say thank you. And now listen. The chapter is over. There are some new words. Let me discuss these new words. Then I'll give you the homework. Homework will be given to you in the WhatsApp group. Check the WhatsApp group for homework. Okay. Now there are some words, that is savages, mainland, wandered, older. These are some new words. There are some other words like frightened, which you don't know. Okay, I'll give you in the homework. You would be writing the meaning. Find out the meanings and write. Okay. Frightened, then inhabited. These are some words which we have done now. Inhabited, frightened. Don't talk. Savages is written here. Savages means wild people in the primitive state. Mainland, large continuous extent of land. Mainland means the land, mainland, large land. Okay. Wandered means to go from one place to another without a definite route. Bolder, more confident. Yes, bolder means more confident, or you can say you're getting more brave. Okay. Now there are some other words.
Bunny, hello.
Okay, next is question and answers of this chapter. Let's read. What made Robinson Crusoe think that the print on the ground was a footprint? How did Robinson Crusoe, fifth B, Shweta is here, Shweta. Fifth B, Shweta. Fifth B, Shweta is here. Ruchika. Ruchika is here.
Yes, ma'am.
Ruchika, answer the first question. What made Robinson Crusoe think that the print on the ground was a footprint? How did he came to know that it was a footprint? How did Robinson Crusoe came to know that it was a footprint? Who will tell me this answer? Fifth A and B.
Ma'am, I will tell.
Nivas, okay.
Ma'am, I will tell.
Nivas, Nivas, tell the answer. Nivas,
Ma'am, I will tell, ma'am. Ma'am, I will
wait. Nivas, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Nivas, tell the answer. Arushi, wait. Nivas, tell the answer.
One people.
Sorry, what you are saying?
One man, ma'am.
One man. From how? One man. How did he came to know that it was a footprint? Which man?
Because of the foot.
Ma'am,
Because of the footprint.
How did see? Listen the question. What made Robinson Crusoe think that the print on the ground was a footprint? How did he?
I'm confused.
He was confused, but at the end, what?
It's footprint and he told that is not
More
mine.
and more confused.
No, he was confused. Okay, he was confused, but at the end he came to know that this is a footprint. How did he came to know that it was a footprint?
Ma'am, he saw
Because he matched his foot with that print.
He matched his foot. Okay, you are on a little bit, you are on a track, but the answer is he looked at the print and he saw it has toes, it has heels. So by looking at the toes and heels, he came to know that it was a footprint. It can be a handprint also, na? How will you differentiate between handprint and a footprint? By looking at the fingers and toes and heels, you will come to know. If it will have a heel, you will come to know that it is a footprint. If it will have fingers, then you will come to know that it is a handprint. Okay.
handprint.
Okay. So the question is, how did Robinson Crusoe came to know that it was a footprint? By looking at the toes and heels. He was able to see the heels and toes and every part of the foot. So that's why he came to know that it was a footprint. Now next is, why was Robinson afraid when he looked at the bushes and trees? Now why he was afraid when he looked at the bushes and trees? 50 and B. Robinson, okay, I think time is over. We will discuss the question answers and exercises in the next class. For homework is, you have to write the new words. I will send the PDF file in the group. I will send it in the group. I will send the work in the group. You can write, give the heading,
Okay, ma'am.
give today's date and heading and write the new words. Question and answer we will do in the next session. Okay? Sorry? Okay, now you can leave the class. EVS, listen, every homework and every instruction will come in the group. Just look at the group, WhatsApp group. And Akshara, don't present.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, you will send the attendance in the group, ma'am.
Attendance, I will take. Okay, now the students, I will send the attendance in group. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So,
Hi, ma'am.
be ready for the homework. I will send you the homework in the group. Okay? If you have any doubt, you can ask. Otherwise, you can leave for now.
मैम मैम हमें जो वर्ड समझ में नहीं आया उसका भी हमें मीनिंग लिखना है.
Yes. आपने पिछले कुछ वीक्स में डिक्शनरी का पढ़ना सीखा था ना, हाउ टू फाइंड आउट मीनिंग फ्रॉम डिक्शनरी एंड ऑनलाइन डिक्शनरी. यस, यू हैव लर्न दिस, राइट?
हाँ मैम. यस मैम.
You have learned this, so you can use, if the word which you don't know, you can find out from the internet, or you can use a physical dictionary. Okay, find it out and then I will tell you the answers also. I will give you the
हमें
answers.
जो वर्ड्स नहीं उसके मीनिंग नहीं पता वो हमें नोटबुक में लिख सकते हैं.
You can write in the notebook after finding out it from Google or dictionary. Okay, then I'll give you the answers. You can match.
ओके मैम.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes. Okay, you can, Arushi, you can leave. Sanvi, Ananya, you can leave for now. And for homework, look up the group. Okay, you can look the group for the homework. I'll give you the homework there.